So guys, morning. How are you? How are you doing? I hope everybody is doing great. Okay, the market looks really strong. So I really like Docu. I think Apple had some kind of news. Apple's doing pretty good too. So not sorry, not Docu. Docu is still good. Uh, this was in this channel. Looks like it's kind of coming in this channel. But I really like CrowdStrike. I really like Crowd. So CrowdStrike was kind of trading in this range from almost 90 to 100. It just passed that range. Then it was it made a new range of 120 to 153, and it's just above the new range. So 166. I definitely expect it's gonna make it like new range in this one. So probably like 60 to 90. So probably gonna be range bound for a couple months. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm long. I really like they had a great earnings, and yeah, this looks great. All right, all right, all right. So if you have any tickers or some things you want me to cover, just let me know. But other than that, I will kind of go over pretty much all everything's. But the market looks stupid good. Everything looks good. Uh, yeah, see again after that channel downward channel, it's been really uptrends, and I think like previous the entry would have been 187. Literally on Friday, we were at 187, but we opened higher, went down, but really a nice close day. I think we're probably gonna go higher for this one. Fastly had the rumor of the acquisition by Cisco, so that's why it had the huge bump from 83 till almost 95, 96. I played a little bit on Fastly. I got some calls. I did not write the bottom out. Some people got calls and puts, but I just got the calls and sold it on Friday. Um, Docu, I have some spreads. I think it's like 20, 25 and 60, 65 or something. So I have some iron condor. That's what I'm doing. What is this? Okay, Datadog. I've been telling this Datadog till it's 80, and I don't know if any of you guys picked it, but yeah, if you picked it, great. All right, morning, morning, guys. Okay, okay. Man, Roku is almost hitting. Roku looks great. Like Friday, they had a great day. Almost, I think again 98 was their high. Seems like Friday, and probably it's gonna breach again. Really strongs on pretty much all tech. 305, a little bit overextended, but man, we are above all-time high. As long as you hold that, we should be up. Yeah, apps puts I got looks good. How's Apple doing? A lot of people had questions on Apple's. Okay, Apple is kind of coming up. See, as long as it hold this one, that's good. I think we are heading for 25 for sure. Let's see how that pans out. But I did talk about. I want to look at J and J, and maybe if it's down, maybe get some. Okay, J and J is 150. Man, so 148. Yep, J and J was. It's doing extremely like what a move from 143 to 150. Really great move on J and J side. Moonshot coming. Tesla. Morning, guys. Morning, everyone. Yeah, I know. Uh, I don't know what's going on with BlackBerry, but I haven't seen in a while. Oh yeah, uh, that was a big move. So I'm not sure what they announced. What was the news though? I have no idea, but looks like that was a good base from on 580. Just broke out with the huge volume. Uh, well, not on that, but the top breakout was with the huge volume and kind of consolidating and looks good. So I'm not sure what's the news, but seems like it's reviving. Maybe it's acquisition. I have no idea, but yeah, BlackBerry was the bigger than Apple at one point. I mean, really big on smartphone and things, but they've been dying. If you look at like all time, you can see that right at top they were like 143, and right now you can see that it's like tiny whiny. So it's not. And look at the volume too. There was a lot of volume during their days, but now kind of slow down. But look at this. That's a good volume kind of coming up. So yeah, it can actually get some momentum. All right. Tesla, morning, Jonathan, morning, Tesla, FEAC. I'm gonna look into Tesla. Tesla, I think, all-time high breakout would be really good for Tesla. See, we are at 50, so pretty much yeah 506. So Tesla looks good unless it gets sold up above this 506 would be good. I think if you are trading, I could definitely see. FEAC. I think FEAC is one of those. Okay, this is one of those. Oh wow. Um, I don't know what merger they have, but really looks good though in terms of chart. Look at that. That was a kind of big resistance, and it blew off that resistance. So I don't really chase right now, but it was set up for pretty good though. So look at that resistance breakout, and also volume coming up. So maybe it's staging for this box. So it looks pretty good. So Ozone, this is they call Amazon of Russia, just uh, IPO'd and kind of deep dive into 38, but now right at 48. So uh, let's see how this behaves. How's the snow doing? Snow was really strong on Friday. Oh wow, it kind of opened up pre-market like up again. A little bit overextended. I think it's a good time to take profit if you got in, but man, this has been one of a stock. Hmm. This looks really good. Morning, John. How are you doing? All right. Good morning. So let's look into something else. Okay, yeah. Puton has been in this range bound for us so much. I think it's ready to fly in one direction, but it has been so much range bound. Uh, Pretty much all tech looks really good. A lot of people are in Baba, so okay. It's man, Baba is kind of dying out. Let's look at Amazon. I'm sure a lot of people are in Amazon. I'm in Amazon itself, and shit, Amazon is pooping again. I don't know what's going on, but it's really. I think it will blow up sometime, but don't know when. But it's been like ridiculous, like really slow. Okay, Tesla is already at 612. See, that was like 607 was my all-time high, so that's a good entry point. We open at 605, 606, and we could literally get out really quick. You have to be really fast with this, but yeah. Let's look at what's other leader. Yeah, Tesla is leading. Pins, net, uh, crowd. I had an order. I kind of mentioned crowd so many times. Junkie is good. Doesn't matter. Hmm. Crowd is going down. That's good. That's it. Just looking at some crowd options. So one thing you could do is like really deep in the money, right? So think about it. If you get, uh, yeah, that's a 60, but if you get like 55, not much, but if you get 50, 55, as long as crowd is 155 plus this week for 10 contract, um, you do have like a little bit of risk, but that's $400 almost. So that's good. So I got my crowd. So look at Tesla. Tesla, I posted the chart perfectly. I posted the chart yesterday for a couple. Yeah, I posted Tesla yesterday in my Twitter as well as in Facebook, and perfectly worked. So if you are not there, don't forget that. But yeah, I DKNG is but yeah, Tesla is doing really good from 607. Few people kind of talked about Neo. Let me look at Neo. How it's doing. See, look at that all-time high. Boops. Somebody says Neo is running too. Yeah. So I think it's probably gonna go to 53 levels again, but it's still below that. So it ran from not much 42 to 43, but if Neo runs, it runs pretty well. So watch out for if it was EBCD, now EBC should be a number, I think. But yeah, XPEV had XPEV. I think they liquidated. So yeah, it went down further, but kind of coming up from 46 to 47, kind of making head and shoulder, maybe like left shoulder head, maybe making a shoulder. Let's see how that happened. That would be bearish. Yeah, I know VChain. Yeah, is it okay? Can you hear me now? Is it fine, Alex? I don't know. I'll set it up and check it, I guess. Is it really low still? I don't know. Maybe I was speaking a little low. Let me know if the volume is still low or it's okay. No response. So okay, okay. I don't know. Maybe I was speaking really low or something. But let me see if I can. Okay, that's good. Okay, cool. That's good. I think I've been a performance mode, so somehow it had a performance mode. So okay, cool, cool, cool. Yeah, yeah. I'm in crypto. I think I have some VChain. I haven't looked into much, but VChain is probably VChain. Is it VChain? What's the ticker? VET. VET. VET USD. I guess we can USD. Yeah, I guess we could just do. Oh yeah, yeah. It's been slowly creeping up though. Look at that. That's a good sign. I think next major resistance will be around 0.21, but yeah, looks like it's up 5%. I haven't looked in a while, but how is BTC? BTC USD. Yeah, yeah. It's holding pretty strong, this one. This level is holding really nice. That's a good sign. But that was a good breakout 1400s, and it literally went to 1900 in a few days. That was really good. Anyway, let's get to SPY. Oh, not hmm. We could do SPY USD too. Didn't know that. Okay, call stocks if you do. Okay. See, Fastly is kind of selling off. Uh, Huge sell off on Fastly, looks like. Okay, Docker is a little bit down too low. T Dog. Roku, Fiverr. Yeah, Fiverr could be like Fiverr is really strong, so Fiverr could be a good buy on the dip actually. Like it has been really running high. Look at even FTC yet. It was like 42 something few days ago. Slowly curling up, right? 48, then down, but again from 43 to 58. But this was, see, there's not much risk reward here. You could probably just do breakout and kind of test it. Here it's like, where do you put this stop, right? It's all over. Maybe make a trend line, but this was a good setup, like good consolidations and breakout of that level 30 would have been like perfect. So you gotta kind of find that right level. So which is running is mostly Tesla. Okay, Tesla is 3%, almost 19 points. So from the breakout, like 607, 608 to 18, that's pretty good for Tesla. I want to look at Visa, Mastercard. Okay, okay, Mastercard has been in this range, so I think once it cross, I think it's gonna go to this 60, 67 range from 46 to 67 range. So the breakout from here will be really good for MasterCard. So watch out for that. Nice. Crowd is already 169.79. That's good. Oh wow. Look at Apple. Apple is doing so it was consolidating in that area and finally kind of up. How's BA doing? Oh, great. BA is above this channel, holding this label. So 30 it's holding. The 43, 50 will be kind of mental. So doing extremely good, almost 10 points. That's great for BA. Oh man, why you got Fastly call on Friday? Did you get in Friday? Fastly had just the news, right? So today, I think I heard uh, Cisco acquiring some other company, so that's why it's probably down. So yeah, how's the snow doing? Is it like it was up significantly? I had some puts on the snow. Oh, that's good. It's working out, I guess. I have 80, 85 puts, but I should have got like this week or something. I got like way far away. Yeah, man, you paid 1,200. That's yeah, yeah. You got on the top, man. I mean, with the so Fastly, think about it, Eddie. So if you want to get those Fastly, like either you should have got like way out the money, like I mean, like a few weeks out. That way you would not lose. Like Fastly is down what? Uh, Fastly is not down that much. I think. I mean, it's down, but not like See, it's down $3 or $4. If you get way out the money, then your probably delta is like 30, 40. Again, probably you got tons, maybe, I don't know, but think about it. It's $3. So if you got like 50 delta, so if it's 50 delta, that's 150 per contract, right? So um, I don't know what delta you got, but that's 150. It's still big, but you might have got a lot. But when you are buying that rumor, you got to be careful. Either get long time, or either you should have just sold on Friday, right? I don't know what you are expecting when you got in, but yeah, yeah. Cause that news, cause it was a pure news. It wasn't like earnings or some things, or it was a pure news kind of rumor, right? And rumor did not turn out, so everybody is basically selling it. So that's what happening. So yeah, Tesla does its things. I don't see any good base for, so it was pure FOMO. Just the if this EV and everything's kind of started going up from that November 3rd, so it just had the hyperbolic from 2 to 10. That was a huge. Now kind of consolidating. If it breaks this level of 10, probably you can get in, but right now I don't see any. Yeah. There is some gap to fill on the upside, but it's a down day today. And also, if you look at that, volume is decreasing even in the up day, so that's not a good sign. Before it was increasing volume in a up day, that's a good sign, but here's decreasing volumes on a up day, that's a bad sign. So uh, mm, I don't like much this one. Okay, I like crowd. Oh, okay. So you got in all. You should have at least sold some, but yeah. Oh, Tesla is 617. That's awesome for Tesla. All right, guys, that's about it. If you have any ticker, let me know. Otherwise, I will say um, have a great day, and I'll see you maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And Kunal said CRM, SB. I can go over CRM, I guess, and then say. Um, so don't know about Robinhood, but check out their web version. Maybe it's up, but I think CRM could be a good swing, man. I mean, it's just a, small blip. They've been so they're almost like from August. They had a huge earnings. This is because of CRM acquisition. With the acquisition, they'll have cost and whatnot, but I think it will curl up and probably settle around 60. Uh, so it was at 20, almost at 28. Huh? Should have gotten 15, man. That day, same news, but yeah, I think this could be a good swing. I'll probably grab some actually. Thanks for reminding. I'll get deep in the money, maybe 2025 this week. My Robinhood is working fine. Hmm. Yeah. Jesus. I'll get in testy. Yeah, I think Robinhood is down. I will actually grab some CRM. Webull reminded me. Thanks. So I'll get some same weekly vertical. I'll get 20, 25. Probably get five of those. So it 20. Yeah, I think it will recover. I'm just getting 20 25. So it's a safe dip in the money. So I'm just doing the same weekly. Got 10 of those for 1200 profit max. But my loss could be a lot bigger. It just I think they are pretty beaten down. It was just overreaction, and I think they will slowly curl up. I'm actually sell some if they are up significantly. But you not really pure theta play, but you do have some room. As long as it's 24 above, you are good. So I think it's slowly gonna curl up. So fit, right? So yeah. So if it's fit with, I think they have acquisition. So I don't know how the acquisition. I don't know when the date is. Yeah. So so you can play a lot of this, right? So this is slowly going up, right? One thing is it's slowly going up almost 7 to 726. But yeah, if you look at the weekly 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4, really sideways. So what you can do is you can do an iron condor, right? Let's say iron condor, it's right here. You don't think it's gonna go below 7, so you can do 657 and 758 something. But one thing is like it probably doesn't pay much since it's not moving. The IV will be very low, so you probably would not pay much. We can see right here in Robinhood if it opens up, but you can actually play on the up and down. I can show you right now how you could play if it's open. That was fit. If it's a little bit more volatile, it will be a good premium. But this is seems really bad. It's very tight range, so hardly you won't get much paid. But basically you can do iron condor, or I think even better would be like calendar. So a little bit bullish, it's kind of going up. So maybe your target gonna be 750. You sell one, buy the next month, and slowly as time passes it goes up. You'll make money, but you have a lot of range. Yeah, somehow I think Robin was down, so I can show, but check it out. Yeah, I guess I talked about that calendar too. So yeah.